together. Today's episode.
The Forest Heroes, we can save the nature. One sunny afternoon, David and Mia were playing hide and seek in the green forest near their home. The trees moved in the breeze and birds chirped happily overhead. Suddenly they saw a grumpy-looking man leaning against a tree, smoking a cigarette. David whispered, "Mia, look, that man should be smoking here. It's dangerous." Before they could say anything, the man threw his cigarette on the dry leaves near the trees. Whoosh! A tiny flame thickened, then grew into a furious fire. David screamed, "Oh no, that man is so bad!" Mia whispered, "That's true, you need to do something fast."
The children decided to run toward the fire station. They heard shouting. When they started to run, a deep, roaring voice called out, "Help! Help!"
David and Mia stopped up. "How said that?" Mia asked, looking around. "Forbid that," an old red-oak tree with a face spoke. "It's me, Mr. Tree. The fire is spreading. I need your help. Please run to the fire station."
Mia nodded bravely. "Here where Albert going? Don't worry, Mr. Tree. We'll save you." They ran very fast through the street to the fire station, where a firefighter in a shiny helmet listened to them. "Help! The flowers is on fire," David says.
The firefighter answered, "Don't worry, kiddos. My team and I will take care of it." Mia says, "Yahoo! Thank you for help. Come, it is close by." With sirens on, the firefighters rushed to the forest. David and Mia entered into the fire truck, shooting directions. Whoosh! The powerful jets of water blasted the flames until pss! The fire was out. When the smoke was gone, David had an idea. "Let's make sure this never happens again. We'll shoulder teach people not to throw cigarettes in the forest."
Mia clapped her hands. "Yes, let's make posters." And she paused, thinking, "and little ashtrays from recycled materials to leave around the forests." Together, they crafted colorful posters with slogans like "Keep nature safe, don't litter," and built mini ashtrays from old cans and bottles. They tied them to trees and handed them out to visitors.
Mr. Tree screamed into a smile. "Thank you, brave friends. The forest is safe because of you." All around, the animals cheered, the flowers bloomed bright, and the sun shone happily. Thanks to two courageous kids who saved the day.